Hello friends, today we are going to react to Thalapathy Vijay's new trailer, that is Sarkar official teaser. It is directed by E.R. Margados and music is by A.R. Rahman. Produced by Sun Pictures, and it already has 43 million views and 1.4 million upvotes. So it's going to be pretty great. And it came out on October 19, 2018. So like it's like 2 years ago, and this actually has like pretty much hyped actually, because people really like this trailer a lot. Well, I was actually reading the comments and everything. So we are going to react to this particular trailer, but before running the video, I like to request you to please to comment on the bell icon so never see anything from me. This is Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and description below. If you want to comment or something, suggest me something, give me any feedback or follow me, I would love to hear from you guys. So without further ado, let's start.
அவன் ஒரு கார்ப்பரேட் மான்ஸ்டர். எந்த நாட்டுக்கு போனாலும் தன்னை எதிர்க்கிறவங்களை அழிச்சிட்டு தான் வெளில போவான். அவன் இப்போ இந்தியா வந்துட்டான்.
வாவ்.
நான் எந்த கம்பெனி விலைக்கு வாங்க வரல. இன்னைக்கு என்ன நாள்? எலெக்ஷன் டே. நான் என்னோட ஓட்டு போடுறதுக்காக வந்திருக்கேன்.
நைஸ். வாவ்.
அவர் ஓட்ட அத்தை ஓட்டு போட்டாங்கப்பா.
His style.
என்னென்னலாம் மாறப் போகுதுன்னு ஓரமாக வேடிக்கை மட்டும் பாருங்க. I'm a corporate criminal.
Whoa. Holy shit.
எட்டடி ஃபாக்ஸ் உங்க ஊர் தலைவனை தேடி கூட்டிக்கிது. இதுதான் நம்ம சர்க்கார்.
Whoa. So well, about the trailer, it's really great. It's really nice. One thing about this whole, I have witnessed that whenever a movie is released, it actually the main person is actually for the people. I mean, there are many things going on inside the society which many people are not able to stand up for themselves, and then one person comes and he finally gives his voice to the people and makes a stand inside the people, and everyone starts to roll with him, and finally the wheels started to roll, and finally they get what they actually wanted. So this is what I have seen from pretty many movies actually. What A.R. Margados is like a director which I would say is making a really great movie. Like if I'm not mistaken, is Ghajini. First of all, is Ghajini, which is like the first movie I ever saw with the name A.R. Margados. I mean, it was been said in the media and everywhere that it is actually inspired from a South Indian movie, and believe me, it was made properly. Like what actually it was needed was shot, it was needed, the proper hairstyle, the suits and the wardrobe and everything. It was actually like properly made, which was all the mistakes which were made in the original Surya, like Ghajini was Surya version. That was not made in this version actually. Even A.R. Rahman was there, and even in this particular trailer A.R. Rahman is there, and we have Thalapathy Vijay, which has already been worked with A.R. Margados in the movie which was Holiday, a soldier is never off duty or something like that, and he has again worked in this Sarkar. If I'm not mistaken, this particular trailer is saying that the government is doing wrong things in that particular area to gain the power, where like he came just to vote from out of India, and he came to know that his vote was actually being casted by someone else. So this was pretty like disturbing, when a person comes out of India just to vote, just to cast his vote, so that he could like do his a bit of voting and give his opinion about who should come. as the next in the government or something like that. But something like this happens, and then he like sees what actually happens in the whole of the society, in the whole of the government, where the actual problem persists. If you see, like there was a problem with the machine, there are problem with the people. People, the main government or the opposition government gives money to the people, and like we have seen them all the movies actually. To gain the trust of the people and to gain the votes on their side, so that people will cast the votes of their particular symbol or something like that, and making their government come inside this the mainstream. So lots of money is involved, lots of planning and everything is involved, lots of manpower, resources and everything are involved. And finally, they come on the top, for their government actually. And then all these things have been done, and that's the reason this particular movie is made, that Thalapathy Vijay does make another sarkar, that is of people's government, so that they can be against of the oppressed government inside the things which are going on. And coming out of India, he also has the manpower, the resources, the money, everything, so that he can stand up for the people. Same thing, it was like little bit of concept was actually in Shivaji the Boss, where Rajnikant was actually trying to make something, a school or something like that, but the government and everything were just trying to stop him. And at the end, he started his own government sort of a thing, and he started building the schools, and he went on building all the resources which he had, and finally, he made all the black money into the white money, and white money was actually used for the people who were actually, very poor. And that's the reason he was saying that rich gets richer and poor gets poorer. That's the reason he was just trying to make the gap between them. So this was a particular thing which I actually liked it. This is a concept which actually goes on for a pretty long time. Actually, Shankar as a director, A.R. Murugadoss, and 2 to 3 directors more, like, try to focus on what the problems of the society are facing as of now, and how these people, one person actually comes and helps the people, and why should people should raise the voice, and they should not be just oppressed. I guess people of society who are not able to raise the voices. I think so. Movies like this, create a little bit of sense of, awakening for the people. Like we can say, Jago Grahak Jago, something like that. So I think the concept is pretty great, and they just try to wrap it in a different paper, different foil, different wrapper or something like that in every time, so that people get that sort of idea. Well, talking about the trailer from the technical point of view, they have a massive budget as usual, but they have done a pretty great job with all the people surrounding him, and he's walking in the between, and he's trying to garner the trust of the people, while he was like trying to make him understand what was actually needed from the government, and why this government should come up so that they can help the people and everything. He actually came from out of India, and the plane and everything, and whole the setup, as a person who is having multi-million-dollar, and finally after coming into politics, it is like helping the people, and everything just got changed. Like it was for the people, by the people, and making him absolutely center of attraction for the people who will help them in case of need, in case of suppression. So it is really nice, really great. So I'm looking forward to this movie. If I get on YouTube or something like that, I would be really liking to watch this particular movie. I don't know the actress. Who is that? I have no idea if she is new, if she is debuting, or if she has already done any of the movies. I have no idea. But we'll see. If I get the movie, you'll be really excited to watch it. So let's hope for the best. If you like my reaction, if you like my review, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so you can get from me. Also, give a big thumbs up this particular video, so that I know that you like my reaction. I'll be inspired more to do more reaction videos for you guys. Links to the Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook have description below. If you want to comment or something, suggestions, and give me feedback, or follow me, I would love to hear from you guys too. So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday. And I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible, because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things, at same point of time you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be song reaction. Tuesday and Friday it will be comedy reaction, comedy routine or comedy scene or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood, or Telugu or Malayalam or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much. So the next reaction, next to the next review, I would request you to stay connected.